Hi, and welcome to 2-Minute Topics. Today's topic is on distribution network design and the key factors that determine how a distribution network should be structured. So, let's get this Case Explained train rolling with your 2 minutes starting now. In our last episode, we talked about the 6 drivers of supply chain performance, but have you ever considered how the design of your distribution network directly impacts your cost structure, the value that you deliver to your customers, and your overall supply chain performance? Well, distribution refers to the steps taken to move and store a product from the supplier stage all the way down to the customer stage in your supply chain. So it occurs between every pair of stages. So from raw materials moving to manufacturers to finished products reaching your end consumer. And it's not just the logistics function that's often confused. It's actually a key driver of overall profitability because it directly affects both supply chain cost and customer value. So when evaluating a distribution network, performance should be measured along 2 dimensions: the value provided to the customer and the cost of meeting those customer needs. So let's start off with customer value. There are 7 factors that influence the value of a distribution network and how that provides to the customer. So number 1, response time. How long does it actually take for a customer to receive their order? So response time is the amount of time that elapses between when an order is placed and when the customer receives it. Number 2, product variety. How many different products or configurations does your network offer? Well, product variety refers to the range of products or configurations that are available through your distribution network. Number 3, product availability. What is the probability of fulfilling a customer order from the inventory that you have on hand? So product availability is the likelihood that a product is in stock and ready to ship when a customer places an order. Number 4, customer experience. How easy is it for customers to place and receive orders? So customer experience encompasses the entire interaction a customer has with your network, from the ease of placing an order to the level of service received at the point of sale. Number 5, time to market. How quickly can a new product be introduced through your network? So time to market is the amount of time it takes to move a new product from development through the distribution network and then into the hands of the customer. Number 6, order visibility. Can customers track their orders from placement to delivery? So order visibility is the ability of a customer to monitor the status and location of their order throughout the fulfillment process. Number 7, returnability. Often forgotten about. But how easily can a customer return an unsatisfactory product? So returnability refers to the ease of the returns process for the customer and the capability of the network to handle those returns effectively. Now, here's where it gets important from a cost standpoint. The design of your distribution network directly impacts 4 of the 6 supply chain drivers that we discussed in our last episode. So inventory, transportation, facilities, and information. As you add facilities to your network, inventory costs increase because more locations require more safety stock. And transportation costs initially decrease as outbound distance to the customer is reduced, but once the number of facilities reaches a point where inbound shipment sizes become too small to maintain economies of scale, total transportation costs will begin to increase. And then facility costs decrease as you consolidate due to economies of scale. So the result is that total logistics costs will first decrease and then increase as facilities are added. So every organization needs to find that optimal point, and any move beyond that point to improve responsiveness needs to be justified by the revenue that improved service level generates. So distribution network design is definitely not a one-size-fits-all decision, but it is a direct reflection of what your customers need and what your business can sustainably deliver. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll continue breaking down supply chain fundamentals with new concepts and practical insights.